Born directly from the underground and from the needs of expression and search of spaces and non-commercial music of the Mexican youth, the Chopo Cultural Market sees the light for the first time on October 4, 1980. The Flea Market del Chopo, better known as El Chopo, is an alternative space where you can find different kinds of items such as clothing, vinyl, patches, books, and more merchandise related to punk, dark, metal and all other cultural expressions derived from rock and roll. At the same time in Chopo you will find different stalls where you can enjoy a delicious quesadilla, a pambazo, all the beers in the world and even vegan food. And if you're lucky you'll be able to enjoy one of the concerts that often take place in the back of the flea market. The marketplace is installed only on Saturdays and has a schedule that goes from 11:30 am to 5:30 p.m. It has approximately 200 stalls related to the Mexican counterculture. And it receives every weekend from 5 to 10,000 visitors from all over the country and the world. It is located on Aldama Street, between Sol and Luna Streets in the Guerrero neighborhood, at the exit of the Buena Vista terminal of Line B of the Mexico City Metro.